Kani kadega Patisi TV.
Kakaipot kabayade baka jingja nong thamai neng hapok snong lingyong kabla IT deka technical team choka MECL choka sorka jela ka pentep baka jingbat podeng kade namar baki wire kias no lang haju kantup I wire oteng jong sub station baki wire neutral jong transformer kakaipot kalaong banakate gadaw basa pelong bakate snong kandon hapo ka high voltage hakatu gasngi laban chupir kan mau kate jingja ka basngosi kalaja ka arpnyo trek rusau Bat kala shem hadu on ringot kimensiam ki bana kaju ke yeng pakentup ya ki shikme shikon haka kaipot la pentep mabaro ki waya jong ke yeng kesam kila sniu bat ingkong lun de naga te kada bu meter box sapo ke yeng usa bat papelong ki ban mi shabar haka jing tieng bat ke boarding kabla par haka jing klan kani ka kaipot jong ka MECL kalong la bandai mahakum kate kapor kate kalong kme kabla tip kerteng kum ka kongtres len changpliang kalangat haka te But do a yela ka jonga jig em kentup ki kon jonga.
And based on this, we completed our exercise in dealing with the situation, which culminated into few decisions. One is besides immediately releasing an amount of 6 lakhs for the nearest kin of the deceased, which is as per the government notification as a ex gratia payment to any incident of loss of life due to electrical accident. We also have decided that MECL shall take all measures to immediately restore electrical connection to all those households which are affected due to damage of wiring and other electrical infrastructure, including your meter box and etc. They have asked for appropriate time, and then they have assured that they'll be completing restoration of power lines to all those affected families who are now at the moment, because of the damage to the whole wiring system of the respective households, are not being able to draw energy. Besides taking measures to also do safety auditing of the village, which will include as to whether there are a high tension line which are drawn just along the habitation area, thereby endangering the respective households of the village. All these were tasked to the MECL. They will do safety auditing, and based on this, any realignment of the 33 kV line or other LT lines will be resorted to, so that at least in near future we are able to insulate the households from any similar kind of unforeseen incidents.
Ka sarkar jela ka pratrik nai weng kala yo bani kendo yo lok ka khon ki bayeng jong ka kong trizalen changpliang kabla do e ya ka jing em ha ka jing sha bat electric Pat kentup kisan ngut ki khunrit ki jongka ka arpinyo terek ubnai baladam yakini lawan yalam da kenhon ka badon hapok ka jinyalam UMLA ka moplang constituency ba Kennedy Sikriem MDC ba lamprang bla kentup ru uba HL rentatiang lingdo ka hima lingyong lingdo ship pat kila IT ka dorkas hau mukul sangma menteri rangba ka jela ka ba kila pensngaw lor kimat jingdawa ka ba kentup andawa thapkam ya ka khon hadien pakate ka long yeng klai kendo ya ka jingja basngosi Apakran cikilat patai kubor mukul sang mau loong. Kasorkar kala pelaj ya kasong jingerap bahin riulak tingka syaki bahaya ngasem kibla duno ya ka jingem hakani ka jingja. Wong kasorkar kala peta ya ka MECL ban maramat ya ka jingtan boarding syabaro kitliweng ki wayar kentup ru wat ya ki meter box bat habai dei bat ka jingdawa thepkam ulong kamjudon ka policy ban chu thepkam claim apply. Bat nalor kata kani ka kena kampat kenjo ya karta kaprasnem. Habakali hatu kani ka pisa kamlong tang sidana ban siu bai luksan syaki bayeng asam umintri rang bau loong ka jingsiu ka bai luksan ka longkat kum ka jingpen banada ka sarkar usnem arja khatar wala ka tau loong ba sarkar kan sabishar bnya biang halor kani.
You see, there is no such policy as far as appointment to be given to any members of the affected family. We have shared this status of the policy of the government, and accordingly the same has been appropriately communicated to them. But nevertheless, everybody is actually privileged to apply for any job whenever there is a vacancy, whenever there is a recruitment. and therefore I think the concerned eldest daughter is still also young, not even yet 18. And there are various other livelihood schemes which are there from the government side. Many other programs which can be probably taken advantage of by the village as a community, and which will also open up some more opportunities for the families. That is what we have further discussed, rather than saying something which we cannot implement. But anyway, I think there are many other ways. We will continue to engage with the members of that village from the HIMA, and we will see how better opportunities are created in those villages, and then the affected families, members of the affected families are also beneficiary of such outcome.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.